Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do as Paddy sets up in the leg press is that we want to get the feet in place. So taking a nice comfortable foot stance, similar to what you would for a squat variation. Then what Paddy's going to do is he's going to put his hands on the safeties. What he's going to do is press the weight off, and once that weight is off, he lets the hands out to the side, and now the safety is off. So it's important to remember that when you do finish your set, you have to put the safety bars back on so you can let the weight down nice and slowly, okay? So in this position, Paddy's holding on to the handles. He's going to hold his body into a tight position, and now he's going to lower the weight slowly towards him. How far he comes down here is going to be dependent on the individual. So what I'm looking for here is that Paddy's back is staying flat on the pad, so we're not letting the bum come up off the bench like that. So you want to keep that nice and flat. You want to see the knees tracking nicely behind the feet, and then he's going to press back up again. As he gets to that top position, he's not going to lock out the knees real aggressively. He's going to straighten his legs, let the weight rest for a second, and then start lowering it again nice and slowly. Again, coming to that comfortable end point and pressing back up. And as you begin to perform the exercise and get used to it, you'll find that sweet spot for you at the bottom.